Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dita Sabrina from Management Class 22B with NPM 2241 10 88. Here I will present material on the Organizational Design Management course. Yaitu key issues in the digital environment. The micro and macro environment. Micro environment includes factors that directly relate to and influence a company's business activities. These factors are usually within the company's control or are closer to the company's day-to-day within the company's control or are closer to the company's day-to-day operation. Examples of micro environments include 1. Suppliers, parties who provide raw materials or service needed by the company. Customers who buy a company's product or service. 3. Competitors, other companies offering similar product or service in the market. 4. Distributor, a party who helps in distributing product or service to consumers. 5. Distributor, a party who helps in distributing products or service to consumers. Employees, workers who are directly involved in company operation. The micro environment is very important because it can have a direct impact on company performance in the short term. Macro environment. The macro environment includes broader factors and is beyond a company's direct control. These factors affect the entire industry and are long-term. Examples of the macro environment include 1. Economy conditions such as inflation, interest rates, and economic growth that can affect customer purchasing power. Social culture, values, norms, and trends in social that can influence consumer preference. 3. Technology innovation that can change the way goods and services are produced or distributed. Political legal. 4. Political legal, government policies, regulation, and laws that govern business activities. 5. Natural environment. Natural factors such as water, natural resources, and environmental issues that may affect a company's operation. Factors in the macro and micro environment of an organization. Number 1, economic factor. Economic factor include overall economic conditions such as inflation rates, interest rates, unemployment rates, and economic growth. Changes in this economic factor can affect customer purchasing power and company production costs. Socio-cultural. Number 2, socio-cultural factor. Socio-cultural factor include values, habits, demographic, lifestyle, and social trends. Change in consumer preference of or social norms may affect the products and services that are in demand. Number 3, technology factor. Technological development can create new opportunities, change the way a company operates, or increase efficient developing technology. Also influence product and service innovation efforts by companies. Factor affecting e-commerce buying behavior. Number 1, credit card information being stolen. Unfortunately, there has been a huge increase in cybercrime recently, according to Konochi in the UK. $124 million was stolen by hackers and criminals via the internet. One way to help periods shoppers with confidence in the service and project against cybercrime is to use email authentic to prevent fraud message and encrypting all parts of a website. Number 2, fake online stores. Some people feel anxious purchasing from a virtual company that does not have a physical address or location, so they purchase may not exist. Number 3, information will get sold. A common fear that is that once information is given for an online purchase, the customer will get bombarded with solicitation emails, catalogs, and offers from third parties. One way to help overcome this fear is to provide a clear privacy policy and give customers the option to choose what information they would like to retrieve and how often they want to receive it. Number 4, unsure what the product is really like. Many suffer really on the sensory aspect of shopping because they can feel, touch of, or even smell the product. They worry that they are going to make the work. Thank you.